Good morning everyone, how you're doing? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send and withdraw your cryptocurrency via the on-chain network. So if you want to send or receive crypto, maybe send crypto to your family and friends, or maybe receive crypto from foreign companies or as an affiliate, this video is for you. First thing you have to do is to download the Bybit app, because I'm using Bybit for this tutorial. Download the Bybit app. Is either you can use the link on the description, or you can go over to Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. After download the app, make sure you have to verify your account. It must show verified before you can actually receive and send crypto with your Bybit. Verify your account. After you're done verifying, if you want to deposit or withdraw your cryptocurrency via the on-chain network, what you have to do is to click on this icon over here. You can click on this icon over here which says deposit right here at this top right corner, or you could just navigate to this section over here that says assets, which any one of it will land you at the same page. So you click on the asset over here. Once you click on the asset over here, it will direct you to this place which says deposit, withdraw, transfer and convert. You can see that there is an option for you to deposit, withdraw, transfer and also convert. Then you click on deposit. Now we are depositing through the on-chain network, and you can see that there's option for you to deposit via P2P. There's option for you to deposit with your Naira or MasterCard. There's also an option for you to deposit via crypto, and what you are doing in this tutorial is to deposit via the on-chain networks. So click on deposit crypto. Once you click on deposit crypto, you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive on your Bybit account. So for this tutorial I will be using USDT, because USDT is one of the most popular cryptocurrency. USDT is a stable coin backed by the dollar with transfer of low gas fees depending on the network. So you can click on USDT over here, or you could just type on this search bar and type USDT. So USDT, click on USDT. So it will prompt you to select the network that you want to receive your cryptocurrency. As you know that crypto has different networks. We have the Tron network. You can see we have the Tron network, the Ethereum network, which is ERC20, Arbitrum 1. So this is Binance Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, Polygon, or Proof of Stake, depending on the one that you prefer. And you can see that each different network has different confirmation minutes. This is network confirmation. As you can see, USDT has the 20 confirmation, and this confirmation depends on the durability of the network. If the network is congested, you see that it has a high network confirmation, and if the network is free and smooth, you see that it has a lower network confirmation. See, the higher network confirmation a token gets depending on how quickly you can receive your crypto in your account. So You can see we have different networks here, but the one we are using for this tutorial, we are going to be using Tron network, which is the TRC20 network. Click on the Tron network. You see that it gives you your barcode. You can easily scan this barcode, send it to someone, or you could just copy the wallet address. And do make sure when copying the wallet address that you did not make any mistake by copying the wallet address, because any slight mistake on your wallet address, you are not going to receive your crypto in your account. So your crypto will be not lost permanently. So do make sure to be very, very careful when sharing your wallet address or when copying your wallet address to other what's it called, exchange account, or to other wallet account. So you copy your wallet address, copy, and you can send this to your friends, send it to your company you are working in, or send it to the exchange you are working with as an affiliate for you to receive your funds on your account. And once you've received your funds, it will confirm that this 20 network confirmation, it will show that it has been confirmed that you have received your funds on your Bybit account. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you love this sort of content, do make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, so that whenever I release a new tutorial like this, you will be the first to get notified. Peace out.